don't know, say I to the hard way, you know, Dr. Cabull, you know, you don't know, known as Dr. Bird, you know. I feel for representing them, I say, hey, the big bad sound, Red Lion sound, and I say, big up myself, Red Lion, straight in London, UK. Say something, my friend.
Lord, 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 Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord.
Red Lion.
Red Lion. Red Lion.
Tell them, Dr. Bird.
The only one lead you to Zion.
Zion away.
The only one lead you to Zion. If you think I'm joking, I want them smoking. Woo. I know how to do my thing.
Red Lion.
I'm gonna let them tremble and sing, Lord, Red Lion. Red Lion.
Watch it, man. Red Lion. Whoa. Brave and bold Red Lion step to him destiny. Jah a guy, none of them could not step to him. Them a pagan Red Lion, see them show him rave and seek little match I fit on pest to him. We should be necklace and them a watch me. Now get the chance, won't fit try shot we. Now see we blood run now we are like taxi. Red Lion now drop asleep like say him have job say.
Lord, 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 for he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High. Red Lion will lick them with his paw and let the heathen cry. Red Lion. Red Lion,
Red Lion.
the only one lead you to Zion. Red Lion,
Woo!
Red Lion,
Woo! Red Lion, you are we see what see Congo. Ya I see I in here. You free to get to youth and let them live more freely chanting. Good words that you planting. Vegetable fruits and planting. Whoa! And you are we see what see Congo. Ya I see I in here. Free to get to youth and let them live more freely chanting. Chanting. Red Lion, alright then. You don't know if you're representing for Red Lion. You don't know Dr. Bird on the first combination style. Red Lion, you alone can play this one. No one never. Mark them up. Red Lion. Red Lion.
Red Lion,
Woo!
Red Lion.